Imagine your car is struggling to find the right gear or suddenly jerks every time you try to accelerate, and that annoying check engine light just popped up on your dashboard. If you scan it and see the code P078B, it means your transmission is crying out for help before a minor glitch turns into a massive repair bill. This specific code is all about the shift timing solenoid B range or performance, and it is a generic code that you will find on many modern vehicles with an automatic transmission. Think of these shift timing solenoids as tiny electromechanical pistons that act like gatekeepers for your automatic transmission fluid or ATF. Their whole job is to control the hydraulic flow inside the transmission so that your gears swap seamlessly based on how you are driving. When your engine control module or EECM and the transmission control module or TCM detect that this solenoid is not doing its job within the expected range, it triggers the code and might even put your car into a limp mode. You might notice your car getting stuck in gears or experiencing erratic shifting, and that scary feeling of the transmission slipping while you are on the highway. I would rank this as a moderately severe issue because ignoring it can lead to permanent internal damage to your transmission components. The first thing I always recommend is checking your transmission fluid levels and quality. If you have driven 30,000 to 60,000 miles or 50,000 to 100,000 kilometers without a fluid change, you might just have dirty fluid causing a blockage. Dirty fluid is the enemy of these solenoids, and sometimes a simple fluid swap can clear the whole problem. If the fluid is clean, then you need to look at the wiring harness and the connectors for any signs of corrosion or broken lock tabs, because these parts are often exposed to harsh road conditions. For those of you who like to get your hands dirty, you can use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the solenoid pins, or even try manually applying voltage to see if it clicks and operates mechanically. However, if the solenoid is located deep inside the transmission case, I really suggest letting a certified technician handle it, because internal transmission work is incredibly intricate and easy to mess up if you are not a pro. Always check for technical service bulletins or TSBs for your specific model before you start buying parts, because there might be a known software update or a specific fix that could save you a lot of time and effort. Keeping that transmission circuit healthy is the secret to a long-lasting vehicle and a much smoother ride for you and your passengers.